him right up there.
Oh, here he is. Well, that's my deer. You guys both knew?
I found it, I was back there.
I was getting my knife out like I was going to have to stab him.
Yeah.
These cocks are frozen.
Take a look at him.
I didn't even touch him, I backed off. You see where I stopped? That's that son of a gun. Nice. I think he's got the Bruiser Award this year. Is he full stiff or not bad?
Oh, he looks pretty stiff.
Yeah, he died last night.
So that boar did come on the backside.
Oh, he's a beauty.
I actually got the deer that I shot. Amazing.